I have started recording. Good after, I think good afternoon, Arif sir. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me once again. I think this is the first time I'm gonna be on your channel or second time.
Not. I think it is third time.
Third
Okay.
time.
Yeah, you are.
What are no, I'm talking about we are going to record for your channel or for what? Like for my channel I'm talking about.
For my channel. I'm going to record for my channel. Okay, I
Okay.
have two conversation with you. Okay, which I uploaded already. I think you might forget. So don't worry, don't go past. It is present.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. Let's go ahead. How are you?
See, yeah, I'm absolutely fine, and I'm very happy to be here because I'm happy. Okay. So how's your life going on? First of all, I have to know because we have been, I think we are meeting after a long year. We are 3 years, right? So please tell me something.
Hello.
How's your life going on?
Hello.
Yes, yes, I'm here. I'm here.
I could not hear what you said. I could not hear Mr. Israel and I
Okay,
cannot see you.
okay. How's your life going on?
Yeah, my life is going on extremely well. I have
Okay.
recently completed my graduation and I am pursuing master degree in English literature. Moreover, we have started that hybrid tutor facility. Recently, we have started as well as I am now TESOL certified tutor. I have completed TESOL certification as well. And yeah, life is treating me extremely well. I am enjoying as I told you, and I always enjoy. This gives me kick, and I love kicks.
Well, that's first of all, congratulations.
Mm,
Means that, and really, I can see you are very interested. You are doing so many things simultaneously. Am I right?
absolutely, absolutely, you are. I
And
love.
and you look like no doubt about it.
Yes,
Right.
obviously. Always think positive, work hard, be smart, help others, and never chase money.
Yes.
Chase knowledge, help people. No one can stop you to becoming a successful and rich person. No one.
Yeah.
Though people will help you to grow if you will do whatever I said. Believe me, the nature, the God, every way will try to help you reach your level, to reach
Yeah.
your goal.
I'm
Never
totally,
chase.
I'm totally resonate with you. I know this way. And this kind of ability we have.
Absolutely, we have. You are so talented. I still remember when you joined my class, when you started learning English from me. I don't know,
Okay.
I forgot, maybe 3 year ago, Mr. Israel. 3 year ago.
Yes. Yes. 3 years
I,
ago.
s- I still remember you were absolute beginner and you had a dream in your eyes that you want to be a teacher like me. I still
Yeah.
remember that you worked very hard. You were so desperate to observe. You had a quest to learn this language and look at it. Where are you standing? You have already become a tutor. I don't know
Wow.
how many students do you have, but I am proud of you and I believe that you will achieve all your positive things in your life, Mr. Israel.
Yes, sir. Really, I had dreamed to become a teacher, and now can say I have become a teacher. I'm so happy. I worked hard. I burned midnight oil. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
after
Yeah.
I became teacher. I
Mm-hmm.
thought Initially, I had butterfly in my stomach. I thought,
Hmm.
how can I remove butterfly? Okay. Then I thought, practice in front of video call, a stranger. Definitely, I can remove my fear, agitation, butterfly. After that, starting doing practice. Now I'm here after doing lots of hard work.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So no doubt about it. If someone works hard, okay, definitely they can achieve their goal. But they must have passion, discipline, consistency, and work hard. Definitely they can achieve. Okay.
Absolutely. Why not? Absolutely. Do
Don't
you
fail.
do you still live there? Do you still live there in a small hut in in the middle of the desert? Do you still live there, or you have changed your residence?
Not actually where I connected with you from
Hmm.
where I connected with you first time. Okay. Right now I'm connecting to you. Okay. Same place.
Okay.
Okay, simple. You can observe my room. I used to say to that see it is lakri ka ghar. You know, because I was not able to speak. Actually, I was beginner at all.
Mm-hmm. I see. Absolutely.
Nowadays, I can after improving, I can say that it is by food.
But I am not observing your location, your hut, but I'm observing you. I'm observing your face. I'm observing your attire. I still remember that the first day, your attire, your face. But look at you now. You look a teacher, a professional teacher.
Mhm.
Do you think
Right?
it's enough? Whatever the knowledge do you have, do you think it's enough? Or do you want to acquire more knowledge? Or do you
No,
think it's enough?
no, it is not enough. It is not
Hmm.
enough.
Hmm.
Okay, for me
Hmm.
it is not enough. I will require more. Okay, being a teacher, you must have lots of knowledge. If
Okay.
you don't have good knowledge, good command. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
still, still I'm facing challenges. Still I'm learning, things,
Hmm.
learning vocabulary, advanced idiom and fragile. Something really okay.
So what problems are you facing? You're facing problem related vocabulary or related grammar? What exactly?
I'm not facing actually the lack of the time. Lack of the time. Okay, I'm not able to remember lots of vocabulary and idiom and fragile. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
so very well about me that I'm working.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
I have to work the time. That's why
Hmm.
sometimes I don't get lots of time just
Hmm.
because of I not able to practice a lot of.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
so
Hmm.
I want to practice 4 hour, 3 hour, 5 hour, but I don't have that much time. Okay, because in summer, I have to be occupied entire day. I have to train the pigeon. My boss comes and I have to be with my boss entire day. I don't get lots of time.
Hmm. I see.
Okay, so that is why. If I think you must have lots of time. If I were you, definitely I would have learned lots of vocabulary, idiom, puzzle, because I'm very passionate. Okay,
Okay.
to
Absolutely.
learn to
Okay.
add.
Okay. Then today you teach me one idiom. Come on. You teach me one idiom today.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
Tell me any idioms and tell me these example sentences as well as you tell me what exactly we use that idiom. It
okay.
will be helpful for learners.
Yeah, definitely you can say when I was a beginner. Okay, I had butterfly in my stomach.
Butterfly in your stomach. Very good. Okay.
Okay,
Wow. Hmm.
okay.
Yeah.
And second, should I tell you again?
No,
Second.
you have to tell me the meaning. You have to tell me the meaning as well as examples so our learner, those who are listening to us would get the idea and they could use while speaking to other. Butterfly in the stomach. Wow,
That,
very good. Come on.
that I'm going to make you understand. Yeah. told you when I was beginner, I had butterfly in my stomach. So, when I was a beginner, I had lots of fear.
Okay.
I had lots of fear. Okay,
Okay. Hmm.
in this avian. Okay.
Okay, so it's mean you are trying to say, but butterfly in a stomach, that the person has a anxiety, fear,
Huh?
fear of communication, phobia of camera, phobia of anonymous people. When you have a phobia of anonymous people, you are in doubt of talking to unknown people. You might get offended from that those people. When it comes to that, you are judgmental of your English, or might some people will judge you because of your poor English. At that time we get a fear, or that we get a butterfly in our stomach. So butterfly in a stomach means to afraid of talking to unknown people, stranger at the first time.
It it happens. It happens with everyone.
Yes,
In
absolutely.
me. Okay.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Next, sir, please teach me the second idioms.
I forgot. I will not tell you everything. It is my secret.
One, please. One idiom, please, sir. Sir, one idiom. Try.
Okay, okay. Bite the bullet.
Pardon me.
Bite the bullet.
Bite the bullet.
Bite the bite the bullet.
Okay, okay,
Speak English confident.
okay.
It's mean face
Ah.
challenges. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Ah.
Have any if you have doubt anything of
Mm-hmm. Mm.
pronunciation, anything, you face challenges. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
Speak it confident. Don't worry,
Mm-hmm.
you're making mistake anything. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
It means if I say make sentence, you have to bite the bullet and speak English with confidence. Bite.
Excellent. Bite the bullet. Yeah,
Yeah.
you have been biting the bullet.
Yeah.
We all have been biting the bullet every day, talking to a stranger, making new sentences.
Hmm.
Absolutely, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Very good. Is there anything in your mind you would like to tell me?
Yeah, definitely.
Come. Mm.
Keep your eye, keep your eye on the ball.
Okay. Wow.
Keep your
Yeah.
eye on the ball.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We have
Means.
to focus. We have to
Okay.
focus on your goal. You have to
Okay.
focus on your goal. Whatever
Okay.
you have, you have to focus. To keep
Wow.
your eye on the ball.
Are you? Do you
Huh?
keep your eyes on the ball all the time?
I am keeping my eyes on the ball.
All the time,
Yeah.
even while sleeping.
Yeah,
Do
even
you?
when I go to bed, I think
Okay.
I till my
Ah,
left. I
okay.
have to do something.
That's great. Oh my God. Like a butterfly in the stomach, bite the bullet, keep your eyes on the ball. Excellent. Excellent. These vocabularies are lively. And I believe while, if somebody will watch our video, he might, or not might, definitely that person will appreciate you, will appreciate your efforts, hard work. And I'll tell you truly, you are a workaholic person. You
Oh,
are truly a workaholic person. You
thank
are a
you. Thank
kind,
you. Thank you.
generous.
Compliment me.
You deserve it. You deserve it.
Okay.
Then, Mr. Israel, I think I gotta go. I have some work. We'll see you next time. Can you please
Yeah.
stop recording?
Yeah, definitely. First of all, yeah, I would say that thank you for giving me your precious time. I'm so happy. Okay.